Greetings of the day. I know everybody will be having a keen interest to learn new languages apart from their mother tongue. If you have any desire like that to learn a new language, please continue watching this video. In this video, I am sharing some tips and strategies which are tried and tested. Yes, if you are interested, please continue watching this video. Do you know why you need to learn a new language apart from your mother tongue? Here are the reasons. Reason number one, why you need to learn new languages. If you know a new language apart from your mother tongue, you can easily connect to the people, those who are stranger to you. The next thing is why you need to know the new language is, if you know the new language, you can easily understand the varied culture and heritage of our nation and about the world. Then if you know more than 3 to 4 new languages, it's very easy to go around the world and explore the new things. So it's very important to learn new languages. As we started this video to share a new tips and tricks which are tested and tried to learn a new language, I'm giving you some tips. The tip number one is focus on the basic things. See, whichever language you targeted to learn, first thing what you have to do is focus on basic things like alphabets, then numbers, then basic, some words will be there. In each and every language there will be some commonly used words. That words you have to learn first, then you have to know some phrases and all, and after learning these all, then what you have to do, you have to try to use each and every word in your own context, in your own sentences. Yes, the tip number two is stop focusing on grammar. See, when you know what happens when you start focusing on the grammar at the initial stage, it stops your learning. It's reduce the speed of your learning. It curtails the speed of learning. That's what at the beginning stage, don't bother about the grammar. Yes, if you make mistakes at the initial stage, that is absolutely fine. Absolutely fine. Yes. Another important thing is copy paste method. Copy paste method is nothing but as we use in a computer, copy and paste method. So here copy paste means whatever words we listen or whatever phrase we notice in our targeted learning language. So what we have to do, we have to start using them. See, whatever word is there, that you take, copy it and use. Copy, use, like that. So it's not only for the words and phrases, it is also for pronunciation. See, if for example, if you're learning English, see, you have to use the words in proper pronunciation. If you do not use the word, or you do not pronounce or spell the word in proper way, that gives another meaning. That's what this method, copy paste method, is also very important to learn a new language. Yes, our tip number 4 is listening. Listening plays a very important role in learning a language. Yes, see, when you just imagine, how did you all learn your mother tongue? Did you start your learning mother tongue from writing and reading? No, we all started our mother tongue, learning our mother tongue from listening. The listening plays a very important role. See, how much you listen, that much you learn. Our last tip is practice. Practicing is very important. See, whichever thing you want to accomplish, practice plays very important role. So when it comes to achieve something, what we have to do, we have to practice. Without practice, I hope nobody will achieve anything else. So I know to practice every day. Not only me, not only you, everybody need a motivation. For that motivation, what you have to do, to create that motivation, what you have to do, set a target, set a small target, small goal. To accomplish that goal, that goal itself motivates you to do or practice something every day. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.